What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another heavy bag video. For today's combinations, we're going to focus on taking a number count and a punch sequence and putting it at different targets. So our first combination, we're going to start by throwing our jab, our cross, our jab, cross, hook, cross. And in the following rounds, we're going to add different targets, highs and lows, playing with the sequence, okay? Jab, cross, hook, cross, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Making sure to get a nice good reach and extension on the arm on the straight punches, turning your hips for the lead hook. Keep going. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. One more minute. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Ten seconds. Time. For this round, we're going to change up our levels, okay? We're changing our targets. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Now, for this one, we're going to take the hook to the body. Jab, cross, body hook, cross, or body 3, or if you want to call it a 5. But jab, cross, body, cross. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, body 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, body 3, 2 up top. Jab, cross, body hook, cross. Jab, cross, body hook, cross. Jab, cross, body hook, cross. Few more seconds. Keep going. One, two, 1, 2, body 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, body 3, 2. Time. All right, everyone. Hope you're keeping up. For this round, we have jab cross up top, jab cross downstairs. We're going to come back up with the 3-2. 1-2 high, 1-2 low, 3-2 up top. 1-2 high, 1-2 low, hook cross up top. Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, hook, cross. So we got some high lows going here. Try to change levels by lunging and squatting down. Jab cross, hook up top, cross up top. 1-2 high, 1-2 low, 3-2 back up top. 1-2 high, 1-2 low, 3-2. Keep going. Jab cross low, lead hook, cross. You don't have to rush. Take your time with the combo. Jab cross. Make sure you're trying to throw from a place of good balance and good form, right? 20 seconds. Jab cross high, jab cross low, hook cross high. Time. Okay, everyone, for this round, we're going to throw jab cross, hook, low cross. So power 2 to the body. 1-2, 1-2-3, low 2 with some power. Really turning the hip, using the legs to follow through. 1-2, 1-2-3, 2, down low. Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, hook, low cross. 1-2, 1-2-3, low 2. 1-2, 1-2-3, low 2. Jab cross, hook, low cross with some power. Using the shoulders, using the hips. 1-2, 1-2-3, 2. Jab cross, hook, low cross. Jab cross, hook, low cross. 1-2, 1-2-3, low 2. Jab cross, hook, low cross. A few more seconds. Jab cross, hook, low cross. 10 seconds. Couple more. Time. For this round, we're going to throw jab cross up top, jab down low, cross, hook, cross up top. 1-2, low 1, 2, 3, 2, up top. Ready? Let's go. Jab cross, low jab, cross, hook, cross, all up top. Jab cross up top, low jab, cross, hook, cross. 1-2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1-2, low 1, 2, 3, 2. 1-2, low 1, 2, 3, 2. Hush. 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2. Low one to the body. 2, 3, 2. Jab cross. Low jab. Cross hook cross. Up, up, up. Boom. Up, up, up. Up, up. 1, 2. Low 1, 2, 3, 2. Few more seconds. Up, 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 up. Up. Time. Okay, everyone, that's going to be it for today's heavy bag workout. Thanks for joining me. And if you found today's video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.